Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going straight to the caller ID controls, no waiting. First, make sure your SIM is active and there are no carrier call blocks on the account. Open the phone app, tap the three dots, then Settings, then Calls or Additional Settings. Locate caller ID and set it to Show Number, not Network Default. Once done, place a test call to a friend to verify your number appears. If the toggle is missing, continue to the next slide to dig deeper. Now you'll resolve hidden number behavior that persists. If you have dual SIM, change caller ID separately for each line in SIM settings. Disable or uninstall third-party dialers and any privacy apps that can rewrite outgoing caller ID. Try dialing the standard prefix codes, *31# or #31#, before a number. These toggle hide /show with many carriers. Make sure to reboot the phone after changes. If your number still shows private, reach out to your carrier to confirm account-level privacy settings. You're at final steps. Perform a network reset to clear lingering configuration. This won't erase personal files, but will reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. After the reset, re-enable caller ID showing in phone settings and test calls. If problems persist, ask your carrier to check account provisioning and request a caller ID service reset. Sometimes privacy flags live on their side. One troubleshooting tip. If your number still appears private after these steps, try a different SIM in the phone to isolate device versus account issues before factory resetting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.